Hi, I'm Mark Forcier. I am the Program Manager here at Osda Contract Services. I'd like to just spend a couple minutes with you and talk about Osda's quick turn prototyping for electronic assemblies. It all starts with the quoting. To quote it, I'm going to need a couple things from you to make it easier and more efficient for me. Okay, I'm going to need your bill of materials, preferably in Excel. On the bill of materials, I'm going to need to know the manufacturer, the manufacturer's part number, quantity per, description, reference designators. I'll also need the Gerber files and the CAD file or a placement file. You give me all that, I can give you back a consigned quote within 1 day, a turnkey quote anywhere from 3 to 5 days, depending on the complexity of the bond. We're completely automated when we quote, so we take your bill of materials from that Excel format and we import it into this third-party software, which gets sent out to 30 plus different vendors. Each vendor has 2 to 3 days to respond to us with the availability of the parts. We pick the winners after them 2 or 3 days based upon your requirements, whether you're looking for, of course you're looking for quick turn, so you're looking for stock. So we pick the winner based on who has the available parts. I send you the formal quote. After the formal quote you get in your hands, the rest of it is kind of easy for us. We've been doing this for quite a while. On the bottom of the quote you'll see a consigned quote. You have all the material. I can do it as fast for you as 1 day, 24 hours. I just need to order a stencil overnight. I can do it in 1 day. Turnkey quotes, after you have the quote in your hand, is usually anywhere. We've done them in a week, but that's if everything's available. I can and have done them in a week if everything's available and I can get the boards quick for you. Standard quick turn prototype turnkey things are anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how fast you want it. If all the material's available, how I usually quote it is the board and the parts are available. I get them in with 1 week. Takes me 2 weeks to build. That's a 3-week lead time. On the bottom of our quote, you can accelerate or shorten the 2-week build time using the multiplier at the bottom. You can go at, again, a week for the material, you can go down to 2 or 3 days. So you can get prototypes in your hands in anywhere from 6, 7, 8 days. And we do it, and we have done it before. It's pretty basic, and it's pretty self-explanatory once I get you the quote. Listen, it costs you nothing to let me quote you, so give us a try. I'd love the challenge. Thanks a lot. I look forward to hearing from you.